Hello everyone! Today we're gonna make together a chocolate fondant. Un fondant au chocolat. So it's a delicious dessert that is very easy to make and only takes about 15 minutes to prepare. 5 minutes to prepare and 10-12 minutes to bake it. That is it. All what you need is chocolate, butter, eggs, sugar and flour. That's it. So very easy and delicious. Let's get started. So the first step for this recipe is going to be to melt the chocolate together with the butter. So 160 grams of chocolate, which is about 5.5 ounces, and 130 grams of butter, which is about 4.6 ounces. And so slowly melt it on the stove, and that's going to be your first step. All right, and we add the butter, and we are going to melt all this. And here we are on the stove, slowly melting the chocolate with the butter. So let's give it a few minutes. That's probably the longest part of the preparation, the melting of the chocolate with the butter. All right, so this is our chocolate butter mix. I used unsalted butter, so I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt here, really not much. Well, maybe it was really very, yeah, just a tiny bit. Good. And so next step here will be to add the sugar. So let's add the sugar. Yep. Alright, after the sugar, we're gonna add the eggs one by one. And mix after each egg. We are almost done, just missing the flour, so you can already warm up your oven. We're gonna need to have it at 210 Celsius or 410 Fahrenheit. So you can set it up and warm it up. We'll be ready in no time. All right, so last step, the flour. Make sure it's a very smooth mix. And that is all for the preparation. So here it is. That's what you want it to look like. That is your mix. And so next step, we are gonna pour it in some. So here are the muffin pans. I just put some butter, so they're all buttery and good. And we're gonna pour our mix. So I am gonna make a surprise for the girl here. So here I'm gonna make a surprise for the girls, and I'm gonna add some M&Ms in 2 of them. So hopefully it's gonna be in the middle in the fondant. Let's see how it looks like. So temperature and knowing your oven is important for that recipe. Given it's a very short cooking time, you want to cook it right. So it's 410 Fahrenheit for 10 to 11 minutes. If you want it very like melting inside, and you can push it up to 12-13 minutes if you want it like smoother but not completely melting down. So but it depends on each oven. If yours is a bit of a strong oven, decrease the temperature by 10 degrees. And I'm gonna try to have it not too smooth inside, so I might aim to like 11 minutes here. All right, here are the chocolate fondant straight out of the oven. Let's see how fondant they are inside now. Let's have one. All right, girls, let's try that fondant, huh? How is it? How fondant is it? It's not melting inside, huh? I tried not to have it melted. Let's look at the... Oh, it is thumbs up? Okay. Let's zoom in on your Sophie inside. Oh, yes. This looks really good.
There's M&M's inside.
Yes! There is M&M's inside. That is a surprise. So is it good, girls?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let me look at the inside. Maybe yours, Angeli. Let's look at... Ooh, look at that fondant, Sophie. Ooh, that is very fondant. I like it. All right, what about yours? Ooh, that does look really good. Thumbs up.
M&M's.
You got M&M's too? Did you find your M&M's? Oh, mommy put some M&M's surprise inside. So you should find a few. Not many, but you should have like 3 or 4.
How did you put the M&M's?
Uh-huh.
It's a secret.
It's a secret. All right. Well, enjoy your cake, girls.
I have an orange one.
You have an orange M&M? Well, if you enjoy watching this movie, please thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Thumbs up for the moelleux, the fondant. Good girls.
Yeah.